Are we painting? Nothing. Okay. Ooh, let's get started. put it on now. Is that cool?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
If you guys keep walking around the side, you can see it's a desert mountain silhouette.
You think, Naomi?
Is that cool? Well, everybody, as you can see, I have finished the paint job, and now is probably the best time to tell you what the name of this rocket is. Funny enough, you know, this rocket, and I hadn't thought of this actually even when I originally planned the design, but you know, this is at its core a Wildman Rocketry Journey 200 kit that I made a number of changes to the design on, but at its heart, the design is a Journey rocket. Going back a year and a half or more to when my daughter and I started this whole journey into amateur rocketry, simply because she was fascinated, and I had never done this before and thought, what the heck, this sounds like a good idea. And our very first kit that I bought was actually the Estes launch kit Journey rocket. And that, I think it's kind of almost poetic, kind of brings us to today, where, you know, this is our level 3 certification attempt rocket. And while it's still a couple months away before us doing that, this finishing of the paint project kind of marks where we're at, in that really there's just a couple small points left. I have to put the electronics inside of it and do ground testing. And then we're pretty much ready to go. Those will come in future episodes, but for now, I just wanted to share with you the paint job. And yes, because the rocket is so darn tall, 8.5 feet, with motor will be around 63 pounds, I actually have to use my camera in the long view to be able to capture most of it as opposed to lateral. But there's a lot of layering of paint here, and one of the more interesting parts of getting into rocketry has been experimenting and developing spray skills. But I hope you enjoy this whole design, and the name of it is Father and Daughter Rocket. And this is meant to symbolize that sense of adventure and joy in us doing something and learning together, and oh, the wonders that can come. So I hope the flight goes well, but even if it doesn't, this is all part of the learning process. And Naomi, my daughter, has been a wonderful or a wonderful partner in every step along the way. And I'm glad that you could join us too. So thank you.